Hello, house surgeons and PG aspirants. I hope you are studying day in and day out. There's a war going out there to bag one of the best ranks of your life. Dear students, we all want to be successful, and you have seen that during the graduation time, the fire will be very high. But over the years, are every dentist who graduate are successful in their life? Definitely not. Some are at the top of their career, some are average, and some are really struggling. Why does it happen? When they take up the profession, they are highly motivated. But after a few years, they lose the fire in them. It is all because of the attitude problem. Many of us fail not because of lack of intelligence. It is because of lack of desire, dedication, and direction. Dear house surgeons, please don't suffer with a disease called paralysis by analysis. First few months, many of the house surgeons will be discussing or will be analyzing what to do in life, whether to go for PG or practice, whether to go for government service or abroad. So they just keep on killing time, 15 days, 20 days, 1 month, 2 months. And then once prosto department is over, I will do when I am free in some other department. So like that they keep on killing time. And then college day, annual day, the sports events, so many events will happen. And eventually you end up losing 1 full year of your internship. So please don't suffer by a syndrome called paralysis by analysis. Don't be a person who gives excuses. There will be negative people. They will turn off the light to see how dark it is. Dear PG aspirants, there is a Calgary Tower in Canada. It's one of the tallest building. The height of that building is 198 odd meters. And you know that the weight of that building is some 10,884 tons. Huge. 10,884 tons. Out of which, that means 6,350 tons are below the ground. So that means out of 10,000, 6,500 is the weight of the building is below the ground. So that means to be one of the tallest building, you should have the greatest foundation. And that foundation is below the ground. That is, your hard work is below the ground. Same way, if you want to be successful in your life, then you need to work hard, day in, day out. And please remember that no one will see how much hard work you are doing. That is below the ground. That means it is hidden. So all the students who believe in hard work and who wants to make change or change their destiny, do join the NEET Entrance Coaching Center by Edentu. Thank you.